So, GALA funding ke oli la first anniversary ni ya iba celebrate kan nga natalo jele ibe gathering would line venue into Westfield bela kila programo ke damen. I'm glad that finally you permito dilale and they are allowed to carry out their program. Okay, so but yung program yung abe important la puru GALA in the future malong right now you muneke ahead of this saga menketating. But in the future, say next year, the second year anniversary in your neighbor will celebrate la. I would suggest let them come up with specific topics. Many along it aligns with their ideas of recovering these assets. Specific, come your goals and objectives turn into milestones. Many along they will work towards those kajoko ye will achieve gradually. They can get to their ultimate goal. You understand? And probably they will have a potential from Kelanin turn into an organization as a strong knowledge in the future. But they really need to be organized. They really need to be organized. So ntebe suggestion o mendila wala mnyindiko. Let them come up with a policy goal and objective. You understand? Itulia miracle Meyalonko is achievable, and then put it into writing. You understand? If they put it into writing as a policy, and then they can take it to try to sell the idea to the population and to the elected members of the coming parliament. Many elected officials try to sell the idea to them. And then it's a consider how they can gradually move those ideas. They can turn them into regulation, into legislature, into law. You understand? Because maybe wasifal be mol mako in the future pro asset sol many along in case how they can be properly managed in the future. So okay, that would be a very productive effort at least they can help, isi banko be mako more be sa understand they are well meaning. You understand? So I am urging them to try to put something into writing in the form of policy. You understand? And then they can hold their debates around those arguments. They can they can talk to the people why they think those are important. It's a debate will organize, a symposium will organize, maybe if they have people who are good in writing, like Hannah Manketol faculty, but they can talk to journalists, they can talk to, other experts, many along they can give them ideas, so that at least they can end up achieving something. Because you don't form a movement probably within the me civil disorder achieve. You understand? So if you guys are youth soul albal from organized, that's a good thing. Organize yourself, but work on something. You understand? I'll allow you be short term goal so you will put it in place. More be understand this is what you guys stand for. You understand? Not just the vague term like what your name stands for. We all understand you want to recover those assets, but then what are the other steps that you guys are taking? Alto vision or allow mission or objectives also achieve no. So can you meeting all whole or can noise create or world talk when you solve. So I'll organize lade. Ya understand I'll put into writing more men loyal ning call si they help you, to talk to academicians, boys Allah, you write policy, you understand, and then you work on turning, convincing at least I'll more jube me alonko maybe deputy wala mo as a idea and share, maybe use that person as a way member la agenda carry out la banko kang or maybe although from side you be funding among you yourselves if you have a leader me alonko has the potential or is able to at least hold a public office. You start running for office. Election would be an opportunity for you guys. Maybe I'll more identify and see you see who's aligned very well, whose ideologies align with you guys. You understand? Or who will be willing to policies to carry out. You understand? So you align like that, at least now or normal, I believe, with time you guys can turn out to be strong. But otherwise, now Kalbak organized. And then, I'll take cool follow, I'll may follow where at in the mark only problem or create banko kang. Wobal alto from Kokola and the cool al bulle, So I would urge you guys to organize, organize yourself very well. You understand? Not Rafang, you guys can afford an office, you need to do that, maybe register yourself as an organization, you understand? And then you can, maybe you can think about Albe community educate Lamunella, things like honesty, corruption, embezzlement of public funds. You can be educating the people about those kind of things, right? So idea I'm sure there are thousands of ideas, and I'm very sure you guys might have a lot of plans that you have, but I don't know those, so I'm just sharing what I think. And so ning atara dunta mole hakada, sorry, but this is just what I want to share with you guys, and I hope you learn something from it. Thank you very much. Allah baraka bake dalam lamin jaju sama kum public radio.